Hey, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor Remax Southern Homes, Hoover's #1 home sales team. Just wanted to welcome you guys to our newest listing, 5409 Park Side Cir here in the master plan community of Lake Cyrus in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is going to be listed at $299,000, which is a great price for this neighborhood. Lots of square footage, just a hair under 3,000 square feet, so plenty of room for your family. Huge fenced-in backyard, so plenty of room for kids to play and pets. Be sure to enjoy the video. I'm about to give you a tour of it, and be sure to stick around because at the end we're going to let you know about the 3 biggest mistakes to avoid this spring season in buying a home, and also be able to download our free home buyer report that could save you thousands. Enjoy. Hey, welcome back, and thanks for checking out 5409 Park Side Cir in Lake Cyrus in beautiful Hoover, Alabama. For more information and to get all the photos and information on this property, please visit our website at mynewbirminghamhome.com. And now for those 3 tips on how to avoid making a big mistake this spring in buying your home. Number 1, get pre-qualified with a local lender. The local lender knows our market, and they're going to be able to put you in the right product, whether it's a 15-year or 30-year mortgage. It could literally save you thousands of dollars by getting in the right product. Also, do your research on the neighborhood and the types of home that you're comfortable with buying. Once you establish your budget with our local lender, you need to get with one of the agents on our team, and we can get you in the right home, in the right neighborhood, in the right community that's going to fit in your budget. And thirdly, always get a home inspection and put additional inspection clauses in the agreement depending upon the age and style of the home, whether it be a sewer or septic inspection, general home inspection, or a Chinese drywall inspection. Those are things that could literally cost you thousands of dollars after you purchase your home if you don't know about them. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks again.